Cordless drills are more powerful than they've ever been, yet they've also gotten so compact and lightweight that you can probably handle one, even if you've never picked up a drill in your life. Manufacturers like to market them to pros, but don't be put off. For all of those slightly more involved tasks, from hanging a baby gate to mounting shelving, a drill will make the work faster, easier, and more enjoyable. And you'll be more likely to achieve solid, professional-looking results than if you used hand tools alone. After drilling about 600 holes and sinking at least 50 pounds of screws in drill tests dating back to 2013, there are numerous options for cheap drill machine, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable drill machine from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DeWalt Xtreme. The DeWalt DC-D701F2 Xtreme 12-volt drill combines power, comfort, and convenience in a way that none of the other tested drills do. In our tests, it bored 31-inch holes through a 2x10 on a single battery charge. These results show the drill can handle just about anything within the four walls of a home, and even the occasional foray into more aggressive work, like a small decking repair. The DeWalt drill's power is on a par with that of some other models we looked at, but it particularly excels in ergonomics and convenience features. The molded handle seems to account for every curve and bulge of the hand, making this drill the most comfortable we've ever held. The battery is designed so that the drill can stand upright when not in use, and the LED is positioned so that it illuminates the drill front better than most. The DC-D701F2 also comes with a nice belt hook, and the battery gauge is located on each battery, rather than on the tool, so you can check batteries without having to insert them into the drill. Number 2. Bosch PS312A12 VMAX. If the DeWalt DC-D701F2 is overpriced or unavailable, we also like the Bosch PS312A12 VMAX 3/8 in drill driver kit. In our tests, this 12-volt Bosch couldn't drill as many 1-inch holes on a single charge as our top pick, but it still has more than enough power for general home tasks. In our own measurements, we found it to be about 5 ounces lighter than the DeWalt 12-volt, but it feels heavier because the balance isn't as good. The Bosch battery slides up into the handle, making the grip fatter and not as contoured as the DeWalt's. Also, the LED doesn't illuminate as well. Number 3. DeWalt DC-D791D220 VMAX. If you take on projects that have you drilling lots of holes and sinking long screws, we recommend stepping up to the DeWalt DC-D791D220 VMAX XR Li-ion Brushless Compact Drill Driver Kit. This is a larger, 20-volt drill, but it shares all of the most important characteristics of the smaller, 12-volt DeWalt. It's very powerful and extremely comfortable to hold and use, and the little convenience features, such as the belt hook in the case, are spot on. Compared with our 12-volt pick, this larger drill completes tougher jobs much faster, doing the same work in less than half the time, with a battery that lasts longer. The well-positioned LED can also be switched on independently of the drill, a unique feature that makes it a rudimentary flashlight. For around-the-house tasks, the added speed and power are often unnecessary, but for more production-oriented work, such as putting down decking or building a garden shed, they make a noticeable difference. Number 4. Milwaukee 280122CTM18. If the dual 20-volt drill is not available, we also like the 18-volt Milwaukee 280122CTM18.5N compact brushless drill driver kit. It's very similar to the DeWalt DC-D791D2 in power, ergonomics, and overall design. 18 and 20-volt tools are the same, the difference is simply marketing. The negatives: this Milwaukee model has only a single setting light that turns on and off with the drill, and the case has hardly any room for drill or driver bits. Those are minor points at best, however. So if you're already invested in Milwaukee's cordless tools, or if you find this drill at a lower price than the DeWalt DC-D791D2, go for it. Number 5. Ridgid R8701218V Brushless SubCompact. We think that most people will be happy with the power and size of the DeWalt 12-volt drill. However, if you're looking for a little more power, but you're hesitant about the size and weight of the 20-volt DeWalt drill, we recommend the Ridgid R8701218V Brushless SubCompact Cordless Drill Driver Kit, which splits the difference between the two. This is a relatively new category of tool, One that is closer to the size of a 12-volt, yet uses 18-volt batteries. Combined, this places the Ridgid drill right between the two classes in power and size, as well as price. The tool has enough power for more substantial D projects, such as light framing, but it's not as streamlined and easy to use as the 12-volt DeWalt. We see it as a good drill for someone starting out on the D road, who may not want to deal with the heft of the larger drills. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.